Recess today? Why did you push me in the mud? Because we was playing tag and you was in my way. So, ooh, my neck popped. You could have said execute me. It's excuse me, you burnt biscuit. How you expect me to say that to you correctly when you can't even pronounce it right? Ugh, slow like jet lag. Gone somewhere. Aw, shucks, you better shut up them lips right now. Disrespectful. Yeah, whatever. Just know when we play house tomorrow, you gonna be the dog. Hey, why the dog? Because dogs ain't got no edges and that will fit right in with you. Bark, bark, bark. Beyond me and my incoming edges and Jesus. Hasta Lego. Don't be getting mad because you suck at games, you unrecycled water bottle.